Hey guys, Jenny here from WTI. Today what I wanted to share with you are these amazing sunglasses by Specs. Now I purchased these, I was influenced by an influencer and they said how awesome these look on everyone, and I was not convinced, but I thought I'm gonna order them anyways. I did, and I am convinced. I love them. They are, as you can see, quite large, so they are oversized, but I love that for the summertime because they cover so much of my face. Just make sure you put on your sunblock so you don't get a big giant sun tan line. They're super comfortable. As you can see, they fit my ear perfectly. They come around quite nicely, and there's not much of an overhang, which I love. Very comfortable on the nose piece. It's almost like a rubberized texture there, so it's very comfortable along the nose. I wear these for hours and they don't hurt my face. They don't hurt my nose. I don't feel like they're pinching. Overall, they're just a great sunglass. For those of you who are looking for a sunglass that is a great price point but are built to last, I definitely recommend these ones. But that's just my point of view.